Happy birthday! So that was strange. They put all these firecrackers outside and they blow up relatively near the altar. But no one came outside to see it. Maybe it was like warding off bad energy or something. Like all the kids stayed inside. All the kids stayed inside. Sangeeta put it and then ran, and then everyone's inside. Maybe it was like, thwarting off the bad energy. I don't know. Another deep pantomime conversation with Papa. He just makes faces and I smile. So they have flowers now. Look, how nice. Nice. You put? Ah, nice. Ooh, this also. Nice, nice. Nice.
Mordar. Como? Or como?
Margao? Ah. No, Sam. Not Sam. No. Rajesh. Ah, good. Woo, Rajesh. Hello. How are you? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Babu.
Roshni.
Morte watna. Ekide.
Me no sleep.
Roshni.
Hello. How are you? Hi, Gabi. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Why not coming in this year?
My family has to stay in school. My children, yeah.
No holiday, huh?
No. If my family come, we live here. But
No problem, no, next year.
I hope so. Ah, come in.
Sit.
Papa.
Sit.
No, Papa.
Papa.
I'm here.
That's okay.